Jesus freak here. 6:09 p.m. and I intercepted the Amazon van. Which all I really had to coming was this. Probably could have gotten something to do the job from Ollie's, but didn't feel like taking a bus. And besides, advantage, assuming, and I think it will, my note taker fit in here. 1, 2 pen loops. So, let's see if it'll fit. Take a little bit of work to work these loops in. Butterfly is such a beautiful motif for Christianity. Alright, flip it upright. Oh, I did a stupid and inserted my pen's upside down. Let's fix that. Red one on the left. Black one on the right. And a drink for my cat as soon as I'm off this video. If you're wondering, the brand is Zondervan. Yes, that Zondervan, because my cat did this to the one I had, which was also Zondervan. Anyway, success. Fits nicely. Jesus freak out.